Hello, this is week 2 of AP 50, and I hope that week 1 went well for you. This week we're getting into the subject of chemistry, which is critical for studying the human body because the body is made up of cells, which are made up of lots of chemicals and chemical reactions. The term metabolism is referring to all the chemical reactions that happen in your body. So we need to understand the chemicals before we can understand the reactions and the workings of the cell. So we have a chemistry assignment this week, which uses the periodic table in the appendix of your textbook, and there is a video which explains how to do the assignment. You will have a chemical experiment where you get to do hands-on in your kitchen, making a pH indicator and using some glassware that you have to set up several solutions or chemicals that you might have laying around the house, and you're going to test those using your pH indicator. pH is a measure of how acid or how basic something is. So this is usually fun, and so I hope you enjoy that. You also have a discussion on biochemistry. Biochemistry is the study of organic chemicals like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and water is inorganic chemical, but it's important to the body. So I hope that you have a smooth week, and if you need to ask any questions, please be sure to message me on the email or inbox in Canvas. Okay, tuning out, so have a good week. Bye.